In this video, we introduce the picker tool. You need the picker tool if there is no forecast spot available at or near your desired location. To use the picker tool, simply tap on the animated wind map. A crosshair cursor will appear in the center of the screen. By default, the picker tool displays the wind speed and direction for the location. Change the weather parameters in the map settings on the right to temperature and precipitation. To change the position of the crosshair, touch and drag the map in the background until it is adjusted to your point of interest. To get a forecast of your chosen place, use the time bar in the lower part of your screen. Skip forward or backward through the time interval shown, or automatically play the forecast by tapping the play button. The forecast data for the location and time you have selected will be displayed in the picker box. Great. Watch the following videos for more useful tips and tricks on the Windfinder app.